From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of wobbly tables ruining your outdoor adventures? MorningRo RV adjustable table leg folding is here to change the game. This top-rated product is a bestseller for a reason, and I'm about to share with you why it's a must-have for any RV owner. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and the consensus is clear: it's a highly rated and popular choice. One of the key benefits of the MorningRo RV adjustable table leg folding is its ability to provide a stable and level surface, no matter the terrain. Imagine being able to enjoy a meal or work on your laptop without the frustration of a wobbly table. The texture of the adjustable leg is smooth to the touch, and the sound of it clicking into place is music to your ears. The feel of a stable table is priceless, and it's a result of the high-quality materials used in this product. In real-life use cases, this product shines. Whether you're camping in the mountains or parked by the beach, the MorningRo RV adjustable table leg folding ensures that your table is always level and secure. It's also incredibly easy to use, with a simple folding mechanism that makes it easy to store away when not in use. This product is better than others on the market because of its durability and versatility. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and stable table, and it's also great for those who want a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality and reliable table leg folding system, look no further than the MorningRo RV adjustable table leg folding. It's a game-changer for any RV owner, and it's sure to provide you with a stable and level surface for years to come. So why wait? Get your MorningRo RV adjustable table leg folding today and start enjoying the great outdoors with confidence. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.